Afternoon, it's Sergi. So I'm Rich Yusufwan and I'm the narrator of this video. So welcome. This video demonstrates how to analyze hotel guest satisfaction data like using Likert scale, intervals, and frequency distribution tables. So let's first get into the Likert scale interval. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Rexel James Itokala, and let's analyze guest satisfaction with hotel service using a 4-point Likert scale. 4 is strongly dissatisfied, 3 is dissatisfied, and 2 is satisfied, and 1 is strongly satisfied. So now we have a 20 respondents. Let's get the initial response by 5. Respondent 1 to 5. Respondent 1 is 3. Respondent 2 is 1. Respondent 3 is 2. Respondent 4 is 3. And respondent 5 is 1. So initial total is 10. So let's proceed to respondent 6. Respondent 6 is 1. Respondent 7 is 2. Respondent 8 is 3. Respondent 9 is 1. Respondent 10 is 4. So that totals to 11. So let's proceed to respondent 11. Respondent 11 is 3, respondent 12 is 2, respondent 13 is 2, respondent 14 is 4, respondent 15 is 5, is 1. So that's total to 12. Let's proceed to respondent 16. Respondent 16 is 4, respondent 17 is 2, respondent 18 is 3, respondent 19 is 1, respondent 20 is 2. So that totals to 12. So let's add all the actual response. So the total of actual response is 45.
Good day everyone, my name is Alan Rospiro Dela. Today I will be explaining how to get the weighted mean. First is you need to get the total actual response divided by the total respondent. So our total actual response is 45, while our respondents is 20, so 45 divided by 20 is 2.25. So that is our weighted mean. Now we will get the range. The formula for range is n minus 1, which is the highest value minus the lowest value divided by the total Likert scale, which is 4. 4 minus 1 equals 3 divided by 4 equals to 0.75. That is our range for interpretation. In order to get the verbal interpretation of the weighted mean, we need to use the range, which is the 0.75, and here's our calculation. Strongly satisfied 1.0 to 1.75. Satisfied is 1.76 to 2.15, and dissatisfied is 2.51 to 3.25. Strongly dissatisfied is 3.86 to 4.0, and our weighted mean is 2.5, which is under the satisfied.
Hello, my name is Mitch Michael. The frequency distribution of preferred workplace of hospitality included after labor day. The possibility function of student after labor day. Hotel, resort, cruise ship, or business related. The first respondent select resort. The second is also resort. The third is cruise ship. The fourth is hotel. The fifth is cruise ship. The sixth is cruise ship. The seventh hotel again, and 8 business related company. The 9th is hotel, and the 10th is cruise ship. 11 is business related company. 12 resort. 13 cruise ship. 14 cruise ship. 15 hotel. 16 cruise ship. 17 hotel. 18 business company. 19 is cruise ship, and 20 hotel. 21 as a resort, 22 cruise ship, 23 related company, 24 resort, 25 cruise ship, 26 hotel, 27 business related company, 28 business related company, 29 cruise ship, and 30, the last one, 30 is resort.
So I am Alvin Carpi Zonoria, and I am the presenter, and I will now explain the frequency distribution table So for the hotel, there are 7 respondents. So for the resort, we have 6 respondents, and the cruise ship we have 11, and the business-related company has 6 respondents.
The formula for the to get the percentage is we need to get the frequency divided by the number of all respondents and times it by 100. So that will be all. Thank you.